Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Using the additional funds needed equation, what is the additional funds needed? Okay, let's take a look at this company. Summit Athletic Apparel currently has sales of 5 million. That's S0. That's current sales. And expect sales to rise to 6 million. That's S1. And the change in sale equal to 1 million. Assets that vary with sales equal to 70%. If assets that vary with sales equal to 70% and we're increasing sales by $1 million, it means we need 700,000 in assets. And spontaneous liabilities equal 20% of sales. We have the change is $1 million, so minus 200,000 of spontaneous financing. Net profit margin is 6%. Well, if sales is 6 million, and we are going to keep the profit after all said and done is 6%. It means we are keeping 360,000. That's not keeping. This is net income. And from that net income, the companies retain 50%. Well, 360 times 0.5, we are keeping 180,000. Okay, so we need 700,000. That's for the new asset. Our liabilities, the spontaneous liabilities can finance 200,000 of it, and our retained earnings can finance 180. Let's do the math. 700,000 minus 200,000 minus 180. What's left to finance is 320. So remember, we need 700,000. That's the plus. The liabilities can finance 200, and retained earnings can finance 180. We are left with 320. Therefore, the answer is B. What should you do now? You should go to Farhat Lectures and do what? You can ask AI to explain this topic for you, solve this equation, give you another problem. The best investment you can make, whether you are a CPA exam candidate, CMA exam candidate, accounting student, invest in yourself, invest in your education. Go to Farhat Lectures and keep working. And God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com. Start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.